downtime ni Belle.
Belle, what's your downtime naman? So kung si Donnie nagwawalis, ikaw ano?
Getting her nails done.
It ends with us.
I'm reading another one now.
Yung binabasa niya ngayon, hindi. Yung Seven Husbands.
Regretting yung Seven... Yeah, sinimulan ko pero hindi ko siya tinapos. Yung Seven
Hindi mo
Husbands.
tinapos.
Tsaka mag-volleyball na to next year. Ako naman mag-cheer sa kanya.
Grabe naman!
Ikaw naman yun
Paano ko hindi sure yun? Sure ako.
Mag-volleyball yan.
Week tsaka whole month birthday mo. Ipa-plug ko lang yan. Nag-raising there every week. ASAP every week. And may aabangan sa inyo. Sa'yo. Soon.
Yes! Ay, guys!
But my question here as a mom is, how's your studies?
Oh, yeah. You know, I'm actually gonna start na. Yeah, I started na. I haven't been doing it kasi.
Customer sa 24. O, kunyari pumasok si Bev.
Ano yun? Ano yung first? Ano yun?
Oh, di mo.
Ayun!
Sige, go!
Siya talagang artist siya.
May background ka ba?
She does. Painting and drawing.
But I'm not as good as Ian. Yun yung difference. Animators. You know what's crazy is that I never auditioned for Going Bulilit. I just went there with a friend.
Her friend was supposed to be the one auditioning. She went with a friend, and then you know those stories in movies. But it really happened real life. What do you mean?
No, my friend. Like, she was part of Going Bulilit.
Oh, she was the one who was part.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, same thing. Not auditioning, but she was the one who was part. You were going with her, and then they were like, oh, I don't know why I'm saying sorry. What you can say.
Yeah, thank you.
Did you have to learn Mandarin for this? Or? I did a 7-day course.
Okay.
Just 7 days.
Hindi lang 7 days yun.
Sessions.
But kasi the teacher is also on set.
On set,
so they have lessons on the set too.
Love, time,
Respect,
manners,
manners.
and long-term happiness yan. Oo.
Tama yung sinabi mo, you can only probably buy things that will make you
Make you
happy
happy
for the meantime.
but it's not something that would last.
Yeah, for manners, like for example, just even your personality, you can't just pay your way into being a certain level. Respect, yeah, you can't buy respect. It's also earned.
It's also earned.
Time, syempre, yun yung pinaka-valuable na bagay na kailangan natin lahat na hindi take for granted. You can never go back in time.
You can never go back in time.
No matter how much money you have.
Lastly, love, because you can't buy any love. Wow!
Ayan guys, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga kapatid na sumuporta ng Can't Buy Me Love. Maraming salamat, mahal na mahal namin kayo. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa 148 episodes na naidulot namin sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa walang sawa niyo pagmamahal at pagsuporta sa amin. Sa muna at hanggang ngayon, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat. Mahal namin kayo.
And it's not natural anymore. It doesn't come out naturally.
Yeah.
Right, that's right. Now, by the way, there's a great scene in the film. I love this scene. Your character wants to go to Singapore until a customer challenges that notion.